everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of JPG image into high quality text vector file inside Canva. Maybe your logo is in JPG and non-transparent mode, but with this tutorial you can convert it to transparent JPG vector file and PNG vector file. It will be totally high quality, so you can print on anything you want, and this will be a color logo. So this is not a single color, you can use it with the multicolored logos that work with this video. So let's start the video. So first of all, we have our image. So this is our logo that we are going to use. As you can see, this is a transparent, not transparent image, and this is a JPG format. So first of all, we will remove the background from here. Just use the background remover tool inside Canva, and as you can see, our background have been gone. But right now, this is not very high quality. Like the text and everything, if we enlarge it, it will be low quality. But there is a new tool inside Canva that called tracer. You just need to go to apps and then search for this word tracer, and this is now in beta mode. It will be improved more, but right now it also giving very good result in both black and white mode and color mode. So I'm going to select this tracer. Now you can see this is our logo, and there is two output mode. One is black and white and one is full color. So if you want, you can just output it in black and white, and if you want to have the both color, you can also choose the full color mode. So I'm going to select the full color mode. Now click on trace image. So once I click on trace image, it will start tracing. Now I can add to design. Now you can see this is our trace image, and this is high quality. If I show you in zooming here, you can see this is high quality image with traced, and this is the low quality. You can see the details is not really good. Now this is our traced image, so I'm going to just put it right here. Now we'll show you how you can make this a vector or SVG file that will work for printing anywhere you want. Now you can go to share, and there is a download option. You can see there is different kind of download option, and there is also a option called SVG format, and this is for web design or animation. I think one SVG and the vector file is almost same. You can import it inside the Adobe Illustrator or other format. So also if you want to print it, you can use the PDF print format. So I'm going to download it with SVG, and I will also convert it to vector. So this is our SVG, and I'm just going to download it as SVG. That's it. Now you can see this is our SVG format. Now if you want to convert it to vector, you can just search for SVG to AI converter. This is Adobe Illustrator converter or vector converter. This logo is already in vector, so if you want, you can also make it like Illustrator format. Just go to this converter and choose the design that we just downloaded, this SVG file. Select it and then click on convert. So it will take a little time, just 2 or 5 seconds, and it will convert your image to AI format, and I will show you opening it inside the Adobe Illustrator. Just click on download. That's it. As you can see, this is our file and this is the AI format file. So this is the process how you can trace a low quality image to a high quality vector file inside Canva. I hope this video helped, and if you learned something new, please hit the subscribe button and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.